Come aboard. The stream be starting.
What is going on, guys? Welcome to the live stream. Appreciate all of you guys on here. Welcome to the Crypto Hangout episode 23. Sorry I had my camera up there. What's going on, guys? How you guys been today? What you guys been up to? What's up, Crypto Billionaire Doge Dude? Treston says, Sup Sir Lewis, is Treston Gamer. My Google account got hacked and they deleted my YouTube channel. Trying to get it back soon. Wow, man, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that your account got hacked. I really do hope you get it back soon. Let me know how it got hacked. Was it with like a password? Did you have like two-factor authentication on or something? But man, I'm sorry that happened to you. I hope you get it back. Please, if you make sure to add two-factor, that means you get the Google authentication app, right? And every time you log in, you gotta get like the code basically. Hey, what's up, Benny? How you been, bro? Hey, broski. What's up, Benny? What's up, the Jizz? Hello from Australia. What's up? We got two people from Australia right here. Appreciate all of you guys coming on here. I know I haven't been on in 2 days. But it's all good. I was spending some time with my family. We were watching the Super Bowl and everything, so that's pretty good. I'm happy to be back on after 2 days. Right? Looking at the markets, Bitcoin really haven't moved yet. Well, we were pretty flat the last couple of days, but I got a feeling we are going to have a major move, especially with the inflation report. Right now, it's looking pretty bullish right now because we are keeping the support. We broke, we broke for the second time again this huge macro downtrend, and we're keeping it as support. We actually wicked down to it today, and then we didn't fall below it. So looks pretty good. Looks pretty good at the moment, right? But we'll see. Let me also get this started on TikTok. Let's go live on TikTok as well. All right, we're gonna be live both here and TikTok, double live stream. All right, awesome. We're live on TikTok and on YouTube. The Crypto Hangout episode 23, man. I really missed you guys the last 2 days. I know it's only been 2 days, but it feels like so long, right? Since I've been on here live streaming, because I'm used to it, doing it every day. So I just want to thank all of you guys that are on here. You guys are the best ever. Never gonna forget about you guys. So appreciate all of you guys coming on here. And yeah, we're gonna take a look at Bitcoin. We're gonna take a look at some other coins. I haven't bought anything yet, like recently. Well, by recently I mean like the last 2 or 3 days. But the last week I have bought a little bit of a couple of coins, right? But we'll see. I feel like the inflation report might have a big negative. I hope it has a big negative impact with the market, because I want to get a lot of these coins for free. I mean, not for free, for lower, right? Lower price. So I do want to get a lot of these coins for lower price. So I do hope that the inflation report can bring back Bitcoin down to 20,500. That would be awesome, right? And we can finally form our head and shoulders, right? So let's hope that the inflation report. Oh yeah, when does the inflation report come out? Let me know in the comments. Do you guys know when the inflation report comes out? I know it's this week. I don't know if I think it's tomorrow, right? It's tomorrow. Yeah. I think it's tomorrow. I think it is tomorrow. The Jizz says, could you look at OGN? Yeah, I'll take a look at you guys' coins. Right before I take a look here at Bitcoin. Tristan says 2FA was on. My PC got a virus that somehow allowed them to get my account even with 2FA. Wow, really? That's insane. I can't believe they hacked into your account even with 2FA. This must. What was your first thought on the virus being? Like, did you download anything like recently on your computer? Was there any type of download in your computer that you downloaded recently? But man, I'm sorry that happened to you, Tristan. Wow. I mean, right, that's, be careful downloading a lot of these things, especially if, you're downloading something that you have no idea what it is, right? Or you kind of feel like it could be something that can affect your computer, right? It might not be official either, so please be careful. But yeah, we'll check out OGN right here for you, bro. Never heard of that coin. But we'll check it out here. OGN. Is it this one right here? Yeah, it's this one. It's on Bitfinex. Man, is this a new coin? OGN. Is this a new coin? Is this a new coin? Kraken. Is that on Kraken too? No. Okay, it's not a, okay. So it's this one right here. OGN. No, it's not a, okay, because when I saw it on Bitfinex, it was like it looked like a new coin because it didn't have like any recent history, right? But just before we look at it, let's do talk about Bitcoin right here, because we are in a critical price point right here for Bitcoin, right? I do think that we're probably gonna have a big anytime right now, probably tomorrow, right? We're gonna have a big move to the upside or downside, right? If we do move to the upside, that's gonna be very bullish, because we're basically gonna be confirming this a new higher high, right? That's bullish for Bitcoin. Hey, what's up, Cambav? Thanks for joining the live stream, bro. Cambav 2. So if you do push up tomorrow with the inflation report, that's bullish. But the next thing is we need to break this previous high, which is around 24,260, right? We need to break that, because if we do come up here and we make a lower high from the previous 24,600, that's going to be very bearish, right? We're probably going to be in something like a asymmetrical, not even asymmetrical, we're just going to be in this pendant, right? And that's going to be very bearish. So if we do make this a new lower high, we need to make a higher high ASAP, right? So just my opinion on Bitcoin right now. Tomorrow probably we'll see a big move. I'm hoping it's a big move to the downside. Okay, I'm hoping that tomorrow we do have a big move, but to the downside. But yeah, let's take a look at OGN. Yeah, so I see OGN right here, 13 cents, right? So yeah, I mean, we can see that it broke that macro downtrend, right? This is the macro downtrend that OGN's been in, right? Even right there, and we did break it, right? Doesn't have to be exactly perfect, but we did break it. You can look, you can even see it. We actually, when we wick down here, we wick right to it. Look at that, right? So that is very bullish, because the trend is your friend. The trend recently is up, right? So we're maintaining. If we break this trend, right, we might see a trend reversal. We might even see a touch for, which I think will probably happen with this coin, is I think eventually this coin is gonna at some point reverse and come back down here, just like it did right here, to test as support again, exactly on this downtrend. Okay, and that price could be around 10 cents. It could be around 9 cents. Okay, somewhere right here. in my opinion. So just watch out for that, because I can definitely see it coming back down, just like it did right here, and testing it out too as well. Kambov says, retail traders, man. Yeah, I know, right? Retail traders. Do you even trade? Yeah, I do trade. I don't trade as much like full time or anything like that, but I do trade. I like trading on leverage. But if you guys are beginning to trade, don't trade off of leverage. Trade spot first, and then you can do leverage. But hey, thank you guys for coming to the live stream. Welcome to the Crypto Hangout, episode 23. I live stream almost every single day. Wow, we already got 904 likes. Wow, thank you guys so much for the likes. Thank you for the likes, guys. We only got 1 like on YouTube though. Guys, please like on YouTube. Definitely helps out the live stream. Appreciate all the support, guys. But yeah, look, guys, for Bitcoin, I am hoping that we do come down tomorrow, right? Tomorrow's inflation report. So I'm hoping that we do come down here. If we do come down, okay, right here, right, I would say 20,700. This range right here, I want to see us coming down to this range. 20,700. I think that would be a good buy right there for Bitcoin. Okay. To be honest, even potentially 20,300, 20,500. I could see us coming down and bouncing off of this uptrend, right? So I wouldn't be surprised if we do come down to 20,260. Okay, which I'm hoping we do. Right? But let me know your thoughts. Do you guys think tomorrow is going to be a bad day for Bitcoin, crypto market, stock market with the inflation report? Do you guys think it's going to be a good inflation report, or is it going to be a bad one? Let me know your thoughts on the inflation report tomorrow. And, you know, a lot of countries already recently had inflation reports, and most of them had inflation going up. So probably inflation is probably going to start to rise up a little bit due to the report, right? The Giz says, Binance, thank you, Lewis. Anytime, the Giz. Yeah, so the Giz, you know, draw that macro downtrend that it broke, which is bullish. And right now it's recently in an uptrend, which is, you know, the trend is your friend, so it is bullish. But like I said, and it could be tomorrow. And what I said based on the OGN is that I definitely see a retest of that trend. And by retest, I mean we come back and we touch it as retest, which is bullish. If we do bounce off of it, that's bullish. And my price targets for OGN was 10 to 9 cents. Okay, so what's up, Antonio? Can you check out Huts? Sure, I'll check out Hut for you. Is that a stock? Dr. Doc, the inflation don't make any sense whatsoever, though. People's pay rates are still the same. Yeah, that's true. I think there's a lot of factors that go into the inflation report that they obviously manipulate, right? So we'll see. Chur says, what's the prediction for tomorrow's CPI? Yeah, I'm gonna check out right here the prediction for tomorrow, the exact prices. A lot of people are bearish on it, right? Because we had other countries report bad inflation reports, so most likely ours will be bad too. Let me just check right here, inflation report. Predictions here, because I want to see the predictions and what is expected, right, and what is not expected. So right here, inflation report is expected to be 6% by the end of this quarter. Well, let me see for tomorrow. I want to see for tomorrow. Wow, thank you guys so much for following me. Appreciate all you guys coming on here to the live stream. What makes more sense is SEC wants to control and they manipulate with inflation. Yeah, that's true, right? That makes no sense because the SEC wants to control, and they can easily manipulate the inflation report, right? By putting in exactly what they want to count as inflation. So annual inflation fell to 6.5 in December, the 6th consecutive month of decline. The slowing economy is likely to bring the yearly rate down to 3.2 by the end of 2023. So that's the prediction. The prediction is that by the end of 2023, we bring it down to 3.2% inflation. However, this will still be this will still be higher than the Federal Reserve's target of 2 to 2.5, right? So I'm pretty sure they're expecting like a 6.3 or 6 tomorrow, right? Since last month was like 6.5. They probably want to see a 6.3 or a 6 inflation report. Right? So let me know what you guys think. What's your prediction for tomorrow's inflation for the US? Do you think it's going to be a positive in the markets or negative to the markets, right? Hey, what's up, T Money? How you been, bro? Thanks for coming to the live stream. What's up, Doctor and Lawyer? Hey, Lewis, won $150 on the Lotto Scratcher ticket today. Wow, man, congratulations. Look at that. Doctor and Lawyer over on YouTube just won $150 on a Lotto Scratcher. That's awesome, man. Definitely gotta be grateful for that. What are you gonna spend it on? Are you gonna just keep it, or are you gonna buy crypto, or are you just gonna, buy groceries or something? Let us know what you're gonna spend that money on. Hayes says positive. All right, so look at that. Hayes over at TikTok thinks it's gonna be positive, right? That's a big a big possibility, right? That it is positive. We have Bitcoin staying flat, right? Right now I can see, right now Bitcoin is looking more bullish, right? Because we are holding this right here. We're also breaking this huge macro downtrend for a second time, and we're holding it, right? You can see right there, we wicked down to it today, and we hold it perfectly. So, but besides just looking at Bitcoin's price, right? We can definitely have a good positive inflation report tomorrow, right? Which would affect the markets in a positive way. Doctor says they want to spend less, yet they keep raking the rates up. People can't afford to spend anymore. That's true, right? And them keeping the rates up and raking it even more higher, what it's doing is it's making it harder for businesses, right? And what it's going to cause is it's going to cause a lot of people to lose their jobs, businesses to have more layoffs, which we have been getting, right? And that's the price to pay. That's what they're doing, right? They're forcing this, and it's going to force a lot of people to lose their jobs because businesses, it's going to be harder to make business, right? It's going to be harder for businesses to survive with these higher rates. So it is crazy, right? GT says, Lewis, have staked Near on Ledger? No, I haven't staked Near on Ledger. I don't have Near yet. I've actually been looking to buy some Near protocol, but let me know. Can you stake it on the Ledger? Let me know if you can stake Near on Ledger. Purple says, hey Lewis, no more YouTube video. This is Brooklyn. Hey, what's up, Purple? No, I'm live on YouTube. I still upload on YouTube. But I'm live on YouTube right now and on TikTok at the same time. But how you been, Brooklyn? Hey says, Dr. Doc, true. Only the large corporations benefit. Yeah, that's true, right? So Dr. Doc saying that these interest rate hikes, right? Only the large businesses like the Walmarts, Amazons, right? All these big businesses, the same way that they benefited from the lockdown, right? Because you guys remember that, right? The lockdown, that all these other small businesses were forced to lock down. Walmart and all these other big businesses weren't forced to lock down, right? So the same way that they've benefited during the lockdowns, they're benefiting right now, right? So it is bad, right? It sucks for the small businesses, for a lot of businesses, right? Kicking, bro. Hey, Purple, thank you so much, man. I appreciate your support. Thanks for coming to the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of the Discord as well. If you guys want to join, you guys can join through my Patreon. And if you don't want to join that, you can join my free Telegram, which is on my link tree. Hey, what's up, Gerard? How you been, bro? Gerard, what's up, bro? Are you guys ready for the inflation report tomorrow? We can see right here for Bitcoin's price. We just been the last 4 days. We just been basically flat, right? And this is expected. Like usually when we're about to have a big day like tomorrow, the days prior we're usually flat, right? We're pretty flat. But most likely we're gonna have a major move here to the upside or to the downside, right? I'm hoping that it's to the downside. You guys know me. I want to get more crypto at cheaper prices, right? I want the markets to come down. I want Bitcoin to capitulate, to be honest, because my dream is to have at least one Bitcoin. And man, if Bitcoin capitulates to 12K, 8K or something, that's gonna make it a lot easier for me. Hey, what's up, Davion? CPI predictions. Yeah, so we were just talking about that. We were just talking about CPI predictions. I feel like the majority of people here, like Hazel, I think that it's going to be positive, which I think is a big possibility that it is positive. I'm hoping. I feel like it's not. I feel like it's going to be kind of like in between, but like higher. I feel like it's going to be bad, but still not too bad. You know what I'm saying? So that's my prediction. I feel like it's going to be higher than last month, but it's not going to be like, oh my gosh, it's like outrageously higher, right? And a big factor on the reason why I think this is because other countries have seen a big inflation rise this month already. So that's my big thing. And gas kind of went up a little bit as well. And groceries are still higher than ever, right? So Hazel says, like, how are you so responsive to your live stream? Thanks for joining now, for sure. Hey Hazel, man, thank you so much for the support. Wow, thank you so much, man. And man, I love live streaming. I've been live streaming since the beginning of this bear market. You can go on YouTube. They've all been here. And I just started live streaming on TikTok at the same time recently. And man, it's been awesome. I love live streaming. And the best time to live stream or build my channel is during the bear market, because that's where the real people are at, right? That's where the real people interested in crypto are at, who are in it, right, for long term. So I appreciate all of you guys. Doctor and lawyer says maybe $50 on XRP and the rest save. That's pretty good. That's not a bad deal. $50 on XRP after winning $150 on the lotto ticket, and the rest he's gonna save, right? It's always great to save more money in case the crypto markets dump, right? They even says, I feel like we're gonna get a liquidity grab, then come back up. True. Like, and one thing too, guys, usually in the mornings, right? Usually before we go the right direction, it usually goes the opposite direction, right? Because I've seen this so many times where we have a big pump in the market, and then after the news, after the meeting, right, then we go down, right? Or we have a big dump in the markets, and then after the news, after the meeting, we reverse and we go up, right? So be careful trading. Obviously, be careful trading. Don't fall for whichever move is going up or down, if that's the initial move, right? So just be careful, because just like David says, we can definitely have a liquidity grab, right, to 20K. I feel like 20K is a big drop, right? Maybe 2,500, maybe, but we'll see. Hazel says, no, thank you. Hey, Hazel, anytime, man. It's my pleasure. And again, follow for more live streams. I live stream every single day, if not every other day. And also follow me on YouTube. We got 32.3K subscribers. And my goal here on TikTok is 10K, because once I reach 10K, guys, I'm not going to be able to live stream. Well, I'm not going to live stream anymore with my phone. Like, I literally have my phone facing my computer screen. Okay, like here's my hand, right? So once I reach 10K on TikTok, I'll be able to, have a software where I can live stream on YouTube, TikTok at the same time on my computer. And I don't have to have my phone facing my PC, which is annoying, right, to set up. And it's just like, the quality is way less, right? Hey, what's up, Summer? Thanks for joining the live stream. Dr. Doc says, because this man's fast and on point, that's why he is this good. Hey, Doctor, thank you so much, man. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much for the support. And Tony says, can you check out Huts? Yeah, I'll check out Hut for you. Sorry. Just been trying to keep up with the comments. Sorry if I don't read all the comments, guys. But we'll check out Huts here. What is Hut? Is Hut a mining company? Is this the right one? I just want to make sure it's the right one. Is it called Hut and a Mining Corp? Let me know if it's this one. It's 1.62 US dollars at the moment. Is this the one? Just let me know. Carrie says, hi, good evening. Good evening, Carrie. Thanks for joining the live stream. Crypto Billionaire says, Bitcoin looking more bullish, but you never know with the report tomorrow. Yeah, that's true, right? Bitcoin is holding, right? We actually broke for the second time the macro downtrend, and it's holding it. And we are very oversold on the daily, right? So, but again, it could change. T-Money says, with all these TikTok viewers, you should easily be 50K subs. Come on, guys, support the channel. Hey, T-Money, I hope so, man. I hope so. In the long run, I can definitely see me getting 50K for sure. And I'm definitely gonna have a big giveaway once I reach 50K. I had one at 20K. I'm gonna have a bigger one at 50K. So hopefully this year, maybe, right? No, who knows? Let me know if this is the right hut. If this is the right company that you wanted me to check out. If you have a YouTube account, only takes 2 seconds and it's free and helps us grow. Thanks, guys. What's up, Club Money? What's up, Club Money? Thanks for joining the live stream, bro. I'm trying to help you get that 10K. Hey, Club Money, thank you so much, man. I can't wait to get the 10K, man, because it's, you know, I'm gonna send a request to TikTok so I can be able to live stream on my PC. It's gonna be so much cleaner. You guys are gonna be able to hear the sound effects or the music, because I do have some music playing on the YouTube. It'll be just so much better. What happens when you get 50K subs? Is that on YouTube? Yeah, on YouTube. So once I reach 50K, I'm gonna do a big giveaway, and once I reach 10K on TikTok, I'm gonna be able to live stream on my PC, which is a lot cleaner. Hut 8 mine. Yeah, so this is the right one then, I'm guessing. Yeah, so this is Hut Mining Corp. So I guess this is a mining company, right? Wow, this is interesting. Let me look at this. This is very interesting. So looking at Hut right here, we can see that we break that huge macro downtrend, right? Similar to Bitcoin. But right now, I'm bearish on it, right? And the reason why is because right here on Hut, look, so first of all, if I zoom out for you, Antonio, okay, this is Hut Mining, right? A mining company. You can see that we broke this huge macro downtrend, similar to Bitcoin, right? But you can see right here, and this happens all the time, after we break a huge macro downtrend, all the time, we always come back to retest it. So that's exactly what's going on right now, right? We're, you know, we pivoted right here, right, in this uptrend, and we broke it right here. But right now, recently, the trend is down, and looks like the big support is somewhere on this macro downtrend, which could be around, I would say, 1.35, 1.38, around here somewhere. So most likely it's going to keep coming down until it finds support somewhere on this macro downtrend. Now, if it holds that support, that's bullish. So if I were to trade this, I would probably wait too long once it does make contact right here, right? Because if it does hold it, and we definitely will get a push up from it, right? And that will be bullish. That will be bullish, okay? So watch 1.35, 1.38. So that's my opinion on Hut Mining Company, okay? What does it mean for you getting 50K? Once I passed 10K, so many opportunities came. Really? That's awesome, man. So once you passed 10K on TikTok, you had a lot of great opportunities. I know something else too, like once you reach 10K, I think you unlock some other type of feature. I forget, but it's definitely good to pass it. T-Money says, I remember when you started, bro. We are still going strong. Yes, man. You've been here since the beginning. T-Money's an OG crypto billionaire as well. And man, I appreciate you guys being here till the beginning, because there was a lot of people here in the beginning, right, that aren't here. Right, that aren't here anymore, right? But hey, I appreciate you guys. You guys are the real ones, and I just want to thank you guys for the support. T20 says bear market was the best time to tune in, best opportunities, and the people that were there are definitely set up for gains. Yes, exactly, T Money. Right? I mean, the bear market is really the time when you find out who's the real ones, right? Who really is here to stay, right? Who really is not gonna be bothered and is gonna invest, right? Is gonna hold, right? Because in the bull market, there's so much views, there's so much, people during the bull market because everyone is making money and everyone wants to get into that, right? So they end up buying at the top, right? Like just like the NFT craze and the metaverse and all that stuff. And then, right, and then we come into the bear market, a lot of bad things happen. There's less volume, right? Less volume, less people getting money from coins pumping, so which equals less people, right? So yeah. Club Money says I'm waiting for Gala to bang up. Yeah, Gala. I recently bought Gala 2 on this dip, right? We'll take a look here at Gala because I'm gonna see another targets here for Gala on a good time to buy. Let's actually, before we look at Gala 2, let's take a look here at the biggest gainers and losers of the day. You guys love this segment where we look at the biggest gainers and losers of the day, right? So right now we're gonna do regardless of market cap. So this is like legit the biggest gainers and losers of the day regarding the market cap. So I'm gonna show you guys like most of these coins we never heard of, right? Because they're super low cap. But even though they're low cap, I'm just always interested to see here the biggest losers and gainers. So biggest gainers, 49% up. Liquidity, LQTY, never heard of that coin. Another one right here, Angle, 34%. Let me see if I know any of these coins over here on the biggest gainers. USTC, Terra Luna Classic USD up 16%. Wow. Look at that. So USTC, okay, back at 3 cents again. How long? I think it's back at 3 cents since August. So that is very bullish for Luna Classic. You guys know that Luna Classics is one of my biggest holdings, and I've been accumulating more Luna Classic. USTC back over 3 cents. Wow. Okay. Safe Deal, Synapse, 13%. Sheena Inu, 13%. Curve Dow is up 12%, right? So these are your biggest gainers, right? Those are the big coins there. The majority of these other ones are very low cap and not worth mentioning, to be honest. But here, the biggest losers right here, Block, CDT down 27%. UFO Gaming, which recently had a big pump, right? UFO Gaming down 17%. Zigzag, never heard of them, down 17%. Let's see some other ones. Akash down 14%. Shikoku down 12%. So you can see those are the main coins that are down today. Now I want to check here in the coin market cap. Now these are the main coins. We get to see the big coins here, which one's down, which one's up. So you can see obviously Curve up 13% today. AGIX down 8%, right? BitGets coin, BGB down up 9%. OKT, I guess this is the coin for the OK exchange, down 11%, right? Baby Doge up 2.7%. ICP down 3.8%. So Loop Ring, let me know if you guys are invested in Loop Ring down 3% today. Zcash down nice today, 5.5%, right? So if you guys are looking to get on some discounts, Matic is down today, 3.1%. So yeah, a lot of coins. I feel like today was mainly very flat, right? But we'll see. I think tomorrow's gonna be a big day. I might buy some coins tonight, right before tomorrow, but I'm not gonna go all in, as you guys know me. Shibarium might be tomorrow. Really? Oh yeah. If you guys been keeping up with Shiba Inu, Shibarium might come out tomorrow, right? Shibarium might come out tomorrow, man. If it does, it's gonna man, it might just reverse the inflation report bad. Like if the inflation report is like negative and Shibari comes out tomorrow, it might just reverse that negative to a positive, right? But again, just because I don't expect Shiba to pump when Shibarium comes out, it might even be a sell the news type of thing. But I do believe that Shiba will pump after weeks or months after Shibarium is consistent, active, and running. I do believe that Shiba will progressively, pump. Okay. T-Money says, do you know about Pi Network? Been mining on my phone since 2019. Have around 2K coins waiting for the open mainnet, still in closed made. T-Money, if you didn't know, I actually made a video two or 1.5 years ago on Pi Network, and I've been mining too. I have a good amount of coins. I don't want to say exactly how much I have, but let's just say it's a good amount of coins too. I already did KYC. I think the only thing I gotta do now is like I think you gotta stake for like 2 weeks before you can withdraw it. So make sure you do that too. Make sure you do the KYC and you stake for 2 weeks before withdrawing it. But if you go to my channel, I made a video about 1.5 years ago or 2 years ago on Pi Network. Basically 3 coins that you can mine on your phone. Pi Network, B Network, which I still mine too. Okay. And some other coin, I forget. But yeah, I am big on Pi Network. I actually have a good amount of coins. And I'm waiting too for the open mainnet. It's just crazy how much it costs right now, right? Let's just say if we were able to sell it with this price right now, man, I'd be good. Like I would be really happy. But what's most likely gonna happen is obviously the price is gonna crash, probably like down to $5 or even more. That's what everyone's speculating. But hey, right, even if it does crash, I'm just happy I got into Pi Network. If you guys still haven't got into Pi Network, definitely get it. You can still mine it on your phone. You guys can use my affiliate link if you guys want to help me out. I actually have a video on it. I should probably add the affiliate link in my link tree, but I'll do it after. But yeah, I'm so happy I got into it 1.5 years ago. I did not think it would do this well, right? I mean, we're still in the progress, right? Just because it's like around $50 right now, that's not really the right price because we still don't have a mainnet, right? So when we do have a mainnet and we're able to sell our Pi tokens, you're gonna see that price come down crazy, probably to like $5, $2, $3. I make a killing on Loop Ring when it had the big pump a while ago. Really? Wow, that's great. So you made a really good profit on Loop Ring. I remember when it did have that big pump, right back during the bull market. And hey, I'm gonna be looking at Loop Ring too, LRC, because it's similar to Theta, but it's not like Theta, right? It's like a streaming platform, like decentralized or like a crypto streaming platform, but it's different than Theta. So don't sleep on LRC, Loop Ring. Gris says I've been mining too. Got 4,400 Pi. Wow, that's awesome. Wow, looks like we all got Pi. Looks like we all got Pi token. Dr. Doc says Pi Network and XYO's coin app are mineable from phone. Really, XYO's mineable? I didn't know XYO was mineable. If you don't mind sharing, Dr. Doc, how can you mine XYO? Do you need like a miner, or can you just mine it on your phone? Because I never heard about mining XYO. Or do you need like a specific big miner for it? T Money says Pi Gang. Yeah, I might make a Pi chat in the Discord so we can keep up with the updates too. Because there's this YouTuber that I follow that he brings like Pi updates all the time, and I'll probably share his videos. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on Pi Network too, and when the mainnet does come out. But please position yourself, guys, because you don't want to be late. Right, like when the mainnet comes out and people are able to sell, you don't want to be late, right? I mean, maybe you guys aren't looking to sell, maybe you guys are long term, but let's just say if I do have that opportunity to sell and we're still around $20, $30, heck, even 15 or around there, I'm probably gonna sell just because I have a good amount. but there are certain steps. I'll probably make a video on this. I'll probably make a video on what to do for Pi Network. But basically the steps is you got to do KYC, and I think the last step is you got to stake for 2 weeks, and then you're set. Once the mainnet comes out, like, you're set. But you don't want to be in that position where you still have to stake and wait 2 weeks once the mainnet comes out, or you still have to do KYC and all that. You don't want to be in that position, right? Choco says, is Kava good for long term? To be honest, Choco, I heard good things about Kava, but me personally, I haven't looked into it. I really don't know that much about Kava, to be honest. Let me know if you guys know anything about Kava. Choco definitely wants to know if it's a good long-term coin. I heard good things about them, but you know, I'm just being honest. I really haven't looked into them. XYO app is called Coin. Okay, so their app, so XYO's app is called Coin. And what? So can you mine on the app, or do you need like a miner to connect with the app or something like that? You need like a specific miner, or you can just mine on the app. But yeah, I do have some XYO, not a lot, but like I do have a little bit. But yeah. Quabi listed without an agreement, so to be honest, I have no idea what the value is. We don't know the circulating supply either. Best thing is the decrease in the mining rate, like Bitcoin, with help price go up. Yeah, I think they have like some type of feature that decreases the mining rate, because I do realize like once I started mining Pi, right, my mining rewards decreased a lot, right? But what is good too regarding the supply is the fact that like I referred so much people. You can see the people that you referred, and one thing too that sucks is that those people that I referred, basically a huge part of my Pi tokens are locked because those guys still haven't done KYC. So, and this is probably like 90% of my tokens are locked for Pi Network, which is, I have like a lot. 90% or like 95% is locked because those people that I referred helped me get that percentage, and I can only withdraw that once they do KYC. And there's a lot of people that still haven't done KYC. I feel like that's gonna be like a slow progress. To be honest, probably a lot of people deleted the app, and like that circulating supply might just like not be, you know, retrieval, like be able to withdraw ever again, right? So we'll see. I might make a video like kind of say, hey, if you watch my video, you know, a year and a half ago, please do KYC, you know, to help each other out. You mine directly from the app. Oh, really? The coin you mined also build interest. Wow, look at that. So Dr. Doc said that you do mine XYO on the app, and the app is called Coin, and you also get 3.6%. Wow, thank you so much, man. Thank you for letting us know. I'm definitely gonna get the app right after this live stream. I didn't know the XYO was mineable, but I'm definitely gonna get the app for XYO. I do have a little bit of XYO, but I didn't know you could actually mine it. Jared says, I mine Pi and my friends haven't done KYC either. I got 2,400 Pi so far. Yeah, man, like I have so many referrals. Like I just scroll and there's so many referrals that I have because I made a video 1 year and a half ago, and I got so many referrals from that video, which I'm grateful for. But the majority of those people did not do KYC yet, and I just have like so much Pi tokens locked, basically. I mean, I'm still happy with the amount that I'm able to sell. You know, it's nothing compared to the amount that it's locked. But man, I just wish that, you know, these people eventually do KYC so I can be able to withdraw it, right? But yeah, and I'm happy too. My wife, I got my wife to do it too around the same time that I did it, so she has a little bit too, which is awesome. But yeah, hopefully Pi does well. What I hope does happen is that Pi comes out, it has a big drop, which we all know it will drop. The question is, at what price will Pi token drop to? A lot of people are speculating on $5, $3. I'm hoping that it drops, which is healthy, but then starts to build up and we see a lot of buyers, and then we could come back slowly to $25, 30, 50 long term, right? And if it does that, man, I'm gonna get a good amount from Pi. Let's just say that. Purple says, I think we're gonna have a big drop tomorrow. Yeah, me too, man. I think we're gonna have a big drop too. A lot of people think it's gonna be positive, but we'll see. I wish I had off tomorrow. I'll be able to live stream, but I'll probably live stream during the nights. Dr. Doc says also you can use more than one device with different. Really? Wow, look at that. So Dr. Doc says to be able to mine Pi token, you can use more than one device with different emails. That's pretty good. That's pretty good to know. Bird says what percentage towards meme coins microcaps? What do you mean? Like what percentage of my money I invest in meme coins versus microcaps? Is that what you're asking? Purple says especially with the def. Yeah, don't forget the def cross, guys. The def cross for a Bitcoin. I forgot what was it, 50 and the 200 weekly, right? So do not ignore the def cross for Bitcoin coming up. Gris says I have a good bit locked up. Yeah, me too, man. I have done all the steps already, migrated my coins. Only the unverified coins are locked because I need my people to do their KYC also to unlock the coins we mine together. Only got one third. Yeah, man, I'm in the same place as you. Except I still gotta do my I need some help migrating my coins, Team Money. Let me know how you did it because I'm gonna look into doing that. I just want to take my time because I don't want to do it wrong. But what did you do? Like, how did did you stake it for 2 weeks? Right now, I just did the KYC. That's where I'm at right now for Pi token. But yeah, we got in early, very early. Pi network launched in 2019. We had a nice mining rate yeah, we did, right? And yeah, like to be honest, if Pi token does drop down to like $3, I probably won't sell it. Like, let's say I'm late to selling it and it's like around $3, $5. I probably won't sell it. I'll probably just hold for the long term. But we'll see, right? I'm hoping that it does dip down, not too much. Hopefully like just $10, $15. And then we start to come up and, especially if the bull market is coming up too, I'm going to be long term holding Pi because if it is a good look, there's a big chance that it could be a big, good project. And with the bull market coming on the rise, right? Imagine Pi at $50, $70, right? Purple says, what is Pi token? So Purple, Pi token is, I made this video like 2 years ago once Pi came out, and it's literally an app on your phone that's on iOS and Android where you can, and you can still do this right now. You can mine just by clicking the button, just mine Pi token. And recently they're gonna come out on mainnets. So this is like, when this came out, everybody thought this was a joke, but right now they're gonna come out on mainnet. And there's actually a Huobi, T-Money says that Huobi listed it without an agreement, and it's currently around $50 on Huobi right now. But again, that's not the real price. Once it does come out, that price is probably gonna drop a lot. But it's just insane how, I have a really good amount of Pi token from mining these last 2 years. The same with T-Money and everyone else. So, but check it out. You can still mine a Pi token. You just do KYC. Yeah, to verify your stuff, you do. There's a place in the app and Pi token that you do KYC. Hazel says, Keystone Walker versus Binance.us, pros and cons, please. What do you mean, Hazel? Keystone Walker? What's Keystone Walker? I know Binance.us, but what's Keystone Walker? Dr. Doc says, not sure what you're talking about. Oscar says, Def Cross, Bitcoin 8K incoming soon. Oscar, I hope so. I really hope that Bitcoin capitulates down to 8K. It's just gonna make my dream of having at least one Bitcoin come true. Because if it does come down to 8K, I'm gonna do everything I can to set up limit orders. Even if it comes down to 14K, once Bitcoin comes down to 15K, that's when I'm probably gonna, start adding limit orders because I do want to own at least one Bitcoin. And I would have been able to if it wasn't for freaking Celsius. I would have been able to. Hey, what's up, Crypto Dream? Thanks for coming to the live stream, bro. How you been? Alex says, have you guys seen Sheena? Yeah, I was just talking about Sheena Inu. It's up like 9% today. So, yeah, Sheena Inu up today. I think you can get it on Uniswap. Bulb says, Blur token prediction. What's Blur token? I never heard of that token. Let us know what token that is. Hazel says wallet. Oh, the Keystone wallet. Okay, I see what you're saying. Yeah, so, oh yeah, I forgot to say it, guys. And I should have said in the beginning of the stream, but you guys can see right there, Keystone wallet, 30% off with the code Sir Lewis, capital S and L, until the end of February. So shout out to Keystone, they partner with me, and you guys can get the Keystone for 30% off, which is a pretty good amount. My opinion on the Keystone is that I'll tell you the pros and cons. Like, I'm honest with you guys. I'll tell you why it's good and why it's bad. Why it's good, okay, and I have it right here. The Keystone is good because it's air gapped. That means you don't connect it to the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, which makes it more secure. And the only way to send crypto is through a QR code. That's what air gapped is, okay? So that's good because that's more secure. The con with that is the fact that to update it, you got to add like an SD card. You got to download an SD card and then put it on your wallet. That's the con with it. But hey, you know, I'd rather do that and it be more secure than connecting to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, right? Okay, and also about the Keystone wallet, guys. What I like about it is the fact that it's literally the most out of the Trezor, out of the Ledger, out of the LiPal. The Keystone, in my opinion, is the most user-friendly. Like, it has a touchscreen that is like, and it's not a crappy touchscreen. It's pretty good, and it's just super easy to set up your account, your password. So I do like the Keystone wallet, but I like it as a secondary wallet because it's not like, it doesn't have a huge variety of coins. It has the main coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, all the main coins, Polkadot, right? But it doesn't have the variety that Trezor and Ledger has, but I do like it. And if you guys want to get it, you guys can get it for 30% off. You guys can just use my link in my link tree and get 30% off using the code Sir Lewis. Shout out to Keystone. But I do like it. I do like it. It's definitely a good one. If you guys already own a Ledger or a Trezor, it's definitely a good one to have as a secondary. What's up, Barilla? 12 to 14k Bitcoin. I'm loading up. Same, man. It's, honestly, 15k, right? I'm loading up, right? I definitely, my dream is to have one Bitcoin, and man, I definitely want to get at least one Bitcoin, especially if it comes down to those levels, right? Bitcoin Noon says, don't make too many accounts because your token received, their rate will not worth it, and verify. Oscar says 14 to 12k, 75% chance, AK very possible after Binance collapses. Wow, what makes you think Binance is going to collapse, Oscar? Nufo says, yo, Sir Lewis, what's up, Nufo? Thanks for joining the live stream, bro. And guys, be careful of Paxos. If you guys own Paxos, PaxG, right? Be careful of Paxos. You know, it's centralized, right? Paxos is centralized, and recently there's like rumors saying that bad things about Paxos, PaxG. So if you guys have PaxG, right, Pax Gold, be careful with it. It's centralized, you know. Oxford says XRP to $25, up to $50 after one case. You think so, Oscar? I honestly think XRP is gonna lose the case. Yeah, I honestly feel like XRP is gonna lose the case. But I'm still bullish on XRP. I have one of my top 3 holdings is XRP, right? I'm still bullish on XRP. but I haven't been buying a lot of XRP. Like I haven't been accumulating because I think the XRP is gonna lose the case, and then eventually they're gonna overturn it, and then that's when you're gonna see the big spike for XRP. That's my opinion. But once they lose the case, I think it's gonna take a huge. I don't know what price point it will come down to, but I would not be surprised if XRP comes down to like 10 cents, 6, to be honest. But I don't know. My gut feeling is that we lose the case, and then over time we overturn it, right? Purple says Binance won't collapse. There'll only be FUD. Bitcoin says, what do you have said is not what you're telling now. Yeah, let me know in the comments. Do you guys think, what do you guys think will affect the markets more? Binance collapsing or Tether collapsing? Which one will bring down the markets more? If Binance collapses or if Tether collapses? Obviously, both of them are going to bring down the markets crazy, right? I mean, Binance is the biggest crypto exchange, right? Based on volume, based on everything. Right, Binance is number 1. Coinbase, I think, is number 2. Number 3 is Kraken. I can check right here on CoinMarketCap, but let me know what you guys think. What will affect the markets more if Binance collapses or if Tether collapses? I think, yeah, Tether, right? I think Tether. Because there's so many pairs with Tether, with USDT, that it would just screw the whole system up. There's so many pairs with USDT, right? Crypto Billionaire says, you think they're getting rid of BUSD, so then in the US, so then as US, you can only use... Yeah, guys, so yeah, Crypto Billionaire just asked that if we think that they're gonna get rid of BUSD so that the US can only USDC, and we really recently saw rumor news regarding, BUSD, bad news regarding BUSD, right? And yeah, look, BUSD, I feel like, obviously it's linked to Binance, right? But yeah, I mean, we know that they don't want these stable coins to be up, right? And we saw what happened with UST, right? And UST was more of a threat because UST was like a decentralized stable coin, right? Algorithmic stable coin. It wasn't centralized at all, so that had to come down, and most likely they brought it down, right? But BUSD, I don't know, man. It might be the next one they take down, right? Especially, obviously, if Binance collapses. Tether, both. Yeah, both will be, right? But I feel like Tether will be more, right? But you're right, both will be very, very bad for the markets. I heard someone say that Binance collapsing would reset the crypto. Will make crypto stay in a bear market for like 5 years or more. And I don't know if he was exaggerating, but that's how big Binance is, right? And Tether as well. Stars says, yo, what's up, Stars? Thanks for joining the live stream, bro. Sungtax says Binance. Yeah, I mean, Binance is the #1 exchange, right, in the world. Crypto Billionaire says Tether. T-Money Tether. Grizz Tether. Oscar says, show me. Hazel says Tether. Joe says Tether. Yeah, Tether collapses, right? There's so many pairs with USDT that it would just be the worst thing possible for crypto, right? But in the long run, it will be good because Tether, we know that's centralized, very centralized, right? As well as the USDC. Purple says, can you do TA on RAM? I want to get entry position. Yeah, I'll take a look here for RAM for you. Let me know if you guys want me to check out any specific coins. I'm gonna be looking tonight to see what coins are on nice discount, so I can be buying a little bit, especially if we have a nice dip tomorrow, right? Hopefully, I'm hoping we do get some bearish movement tomorrow, right? Let me know, is this the what you're talking about for RAM? Is this it? Let me know, Purple. Is this the one that you're talking about, RAM? It's 10.49 at the moment, $10.49. Elon Sungta says Sheila coin. Yeah, Sheila coin, right? I heard prophecies regarding Sheila coin. My Wi-Fi keeps glitching and pausing the stream. Hey Stars, I'm sorry, bro. Are you on you're on your Wi-Fi, right? Dang. Maybe it's connected to too many devices. Maybe disconnected from like some other devices to make it better. That's it. Okay, this is it. Okay. Yeah, so I'll do some technical analysis here for this company, right? Because I don't think it's a crypto. How's UFOs down a lot on the day. So if you guys been looking to get a dip, to get a good buy in UFO, today's a good day to buy UFO if you guys are long term, right? But UFO is down like 17% on the day. But then again, UFO was actually, it's funny because UFO the last 3 days was up a lot, like 20% or higher. Mainly to, I feel like it was part to do with like the UFO, aircrafts, right? That were hovering around Canada and USA. So it's just funny. Oscar says, get your crypto off exchanges, not your keys, not your crypto. Yes, guys, get your cryptos off exchanges. Get the Keystone. Look at that. You guys can use my code for 30% off the Keystone wallet. So, yeah, look, this is my technical analysis right here, right? We're obviously seeing some life here ever since December 15th, right? We just been in this aggressive uptrend, which is very, very bullish, right? But the question is, so this is the uptrend, right? The question is, at what price point are we coming up here? Right? Because right now, I would say around right here, which we're about to come into, right? We might start to see some resistance right here around 10.52. And the reason why we come back here and we can see that this range was very important, around 10.52 to 10.60 for this coin, this company. So once we I could see us stay in this uptrend until we reach this range to 10.52 for RAM. And we are very overbought, and this is on the daily. We are very overbought. So once we do make that contact with the range, if we start to see some downturn here for the RSI, right, and we start to see a flat period until we eventually break this uptrend, right, then that's very bearish. I would be out. Okay, that's very bearish. Okay, but so far I am bullish until like I said, until we come up into this range, which is around 10.52. Okay, once we reach that range, we want to see if we stay flat and eventually break out of this uptrend, which would be 10. If we break out of 10.50, then that's bearish. Okay, so yeah, that's my opinion on it. Not that RAM. Oh, it wasn't that one. Ramfi. Let me know the right tag. Ramfi. Okay, it's Ramfi. 5 hours from now, we will see the movement. Yeah, probably, right? Probably start to see. We've been flat for the last 3 days, so we're probably going to see some volatile movements like Dr. Doc said in the next 5 hours. Maybe during the Asian market, right? So it's called Ram. I'll check it out for you. I'm going to try to find it. Ramfi. I still can't find it. What's the legit tag? Because I'm putting the tag here. Oh, I found it. My bad. It's on Gate.io. Okay. Yeah, it's this one, right? It's 2 cents right now. 0.2 cents. Is it this one? It's around 2 cents. Ramfi. Does DYDX pump on anticipation of big news? To be honest, I haven't checked out DYDX, so I really don't know if it does pump in anticipation. But usually a lot of coins do the opposite move. So let's say we get negative news, right? Usually it will pump, and then if we get positive news, it will dump first, and then with the positive news later pump. That's usually what happens. So, if we do have a big dump in the morning tomorrow before the news and in anticipation, then we can see a big reversal, right? after the news. Bird says, how to get rich in crypto. Great question, Bird. Look at that. Bird getting straight into the points. How to get rich in crypto. I would say with, in detail, with my honest heart, like, the best way is to research projects, be up to date, be diverse, right? Don't just invest in blue chips. Have also an investment in low cap coins, right? And then once you research, once you know the coins, once you diversify, invest in those coins throughout this bear market, especially because bear markets make millionaires, right? And the coins that you buy during the bear market that survive, let's say you invest in 20 coins and let's say 7 of those survive, 5 of those survive, right? Depending on how much you invest in those coins could 50x, 100x, 1000x, right? So this, in my opinion, is the formula. This is the formula, in my opinion. And a big key is it's research, diversify, and invest, right? You got to take action. So that's my formula. Dr. Doc says, yes, during the Asian market movement, it's always 3 a.m. for me. Yeah, me too. Yeah, so most likely we're going to have some big movement in the Asian market. Yes, Gate.io. Okay, so it is this one. Okay, so we'll do some technical analysis here for this coin. Okay. Let's do some technical analysis. Spa says H-bar. What's the best trading platform to use? So Brian, great question. Me personally, I live in the US and the best one that I love using is BitGet. The reason why is that you don't need to KYC for BitGet in the US like you would. Like you can't use Bybit in the US. You need to have a VPN, or you can't use Binance, right? And BitGet, you don't need to KYC, and you get to have at least 50x leverage. Again, be careful with leverage, right? And then my second one is MEXC Global. I like those two. You don't need to KYC, and you have a decent amount of leverage. And they have copy trading too, which is like fake trading. But yeah, if you want to check those out, you can sign up with my link in my link tree if you want to help me out. But yeah, let's take a look here at Ramfi, right? On BitGet, which wow, okay, I see something big right here for Ramfi. You can see right here for Ramfi that we're still in this huge macro downtrend, and today we actually wicked right to it, and we rejected it. Look, you see this huge macro downtrend? We actually wicked up to it today, or was it yesterday? Look at this, to the T. Look at that. We wicked up to it around 0.32 from 0.23. Look at this huge wick up. So it just shows you the amount of resistance here, right? Technically we are in an uptrend, right? We are in this uptrend. Besides this scam wick that probably scammed a lot of people. So I am bullish. I think that this range right here, you can see there's a lot of supply in this range. If we lose this range, if we lose 0.2302, right, then that's bearish. But I am bullish for the meantime until we get up here to the top of the downtrend, which is around 3 cents, basically around 3 cents. Until we get there, I'm bullish, but once we do get up there, I'm bearish. Okay, just watch out for those scam wicks too. If you're trading that coin, there's a lot of scam wicks on different platforms, right? Anytime, Brian. But yeah, BitGet. Look, if you're in the US, BitGet and MEXC. The reason why is, like I told you, no KYC, and you have a decent amount of leverage trading, and you got copy trading, and the fees are pretty low too. Okay. Kit says QNT over H-bar. Star says thoughts on QNT. I like QNT. I think QNT can have crazy price if they actually do fulfill their utility and they continue to develop and have innovation in this world. you know, QNT has less supply than Bitcoin, right? So if QNT actually does have utility and is implemented in this world and has innovation, you're gonna see a lot of money flowing into QNT. And I wouldn't be surprised if, right, 4 figures, $1,000 or even more for QNT, because it has a very low supply, and if it does have true utility, you're gonna see a lot of money flowing into it. So you see the inverse finance pumping, right? That's a loan company for crypto loans. People are stacking. Really? What coin is that? What's the tag for it, doctor? Let me know the tag for it. I definitely want to check it out. Sarah says, yeah, I'm in my shed on my laptop right now, so I think it's just the distance messing the signal up. Oh, okay, you're in your shed right now. Okay. Yeah, probably is the signal, right? Because you're probably a little far from it. But that's awesome, bro. You got a shed? Is that like a man cave that you have? So what's the consequences on SHIB food, legit or not? Yeah, Alex, great question. So SHIB food, I heard TC has been making some videos regarding SHIB food, which is this other coin regarding Shiba Inu. It's called SHIB food. To be honest, I haven't looked into it. I don't know if it's legit. I don't know if it's actually connected to Shiba Inu. I'm probably gonna buy a little bit, but it is annoying to buy because it is on Uniswap. But I'll probably buy a little bit. I don't know, like right now it's still speculation. We don't know if it's legit connected to Shiba Inu or not. But if it is, then it's probably gonna 100, 1000x, right? Once the news comes out, right? MEXC 200x leverage, really? So MEXC has 200x leverage. I feel like it's probably capped though, right, in the US? Because I know Bitkit has like 150x leverage, but they only allow 50x in the US. But let me know. My thoughts on HBAR. I like HBAR. I've been investing in HBAR long term. I think HBAR has amazing technology, and we can definitely see a lot of big players adapt HBAR as time goes on, because it's just super fast and has amazing technology. So I am long term HBAR. Even if it is slow right now, I'm still long term on it. Right, just because you know, a lot of coins are moving slow. Like XLM has been moving slow this bear market. Algorand has been moving slow, right? Even XRP. So Scammer Proof says, Hola Lewis. Hey, Scammer Proof, look at that. Scammer Proof coming over from TikTok. Thank you so much for the double support, Scammer Proof. Scammer Proof coming from TikTok to YouTube. How you been, bro? I'm in the US. Yeah, so if you're in the US, you can use Bitkit and MEXC Global, no KYC needed, and up to 50x leverage on Bitkit. And wow, look at that. So Bitcoin just says, Bitcoin News just says 200x for MEXC Global. Wow, that's awesome. And if you guys want to join, again, you guys can join in my link tree if you guys want to help me out. The tag is INVUSD. INV. Let me check out this coin. The doctor is talking about people stacking because they are. It's a project that has like crypto loans. I want to check out this coin. Inverse Finance. So look at that. This is the coin right here that doctor's talking about. Inverse Finance, $63, right? Probably has a low cap. It's probably a low supply. That's probably why it's $64. But it's, wow, it's ranked 932. That's pretty, I mean, that's pretty good, right? Because it has low, less market cap. But that's pretty good. The all-time high for it was around $71. It's actually not too far from its all-time high. But again, the low of it was around $59 this bear market. But right here, Inverse Finance basically is a positive sum DeFi protocol based on around the fully collateralized cross-chain stablecoin DOLA and the INV governance token. So Okay, so there's this other coin called Dola, right? If I go to their website, let's check out their website. So this is the website. Rethink the way you borrow. So yeah, they are like a loan platform, right? Never pay interest rates again. Dola borrowing rates, DBRs allow you to fix a rate today and borrow later. It's pretty cool. I gotta look more into this coin. I'm gonna save it right here. I'm gonna save it as one of my coins here for my watch list. I'm thinking about making a watch list, like a public watch list for you guys on CoinMarketCap, so you guys can see the coins that I'm like looking at. So I might do that soon because I do have a watch list on CoinMarketCap on the coins that I'm invested in or like looking at. Star says, I've only been able to get 0.75 QNT so far, but plan is to keep accumulating when I can. Same, man, same. Stars, I've been, during the huge pump, before the huge pump, I got around 1 QNT, 1.25. And then after the big pump, like before it pumped again, before the second pump, I got another QNT. So at the moment, I only got like 2 and a little bit, like 2 point something. So I don't have that much QNT either. But yeah, I'm gonna keep accumulating. Star says, yeah, man, it's cold right now as it is in winter, but I addicted out and it's my go-to spot to chill and hang out. Wow, man, that's awesome. I hope to. I kind of have that right here with my office, but it's kind of small. But yeah, once I do have my own house, I do hope to have like a little man cave or something. That'd be awesome. Bulb says, how's BDB called for a move up or short term? BDP, I'll check it out for you. Never heard of that. Is that a coin or a company? BDB. BDP, my bad. Oh, it's a coin. Okay, yeah, there's a coin. So I'll check out here this coin for you. Wow. Is there any big news regarding this coin? Because this is a huge pump. Right, all the way from 3 cents to almost 76 cents. So this coin just pumped from 3 cents to 76 cents. Right now it's around 35 cents. BDP. Look at my previous questions, please. Yeah, my bad. Let me see here. Sorry if I haven't been able to read all the questions, guys. I'm trying to keep up with everything here. I can't see it. Hazel, I can't see your previous questions. The only thing I can see here is that you said I'm in the US. But what did you ask? I'm scrolling here. I couldn't find your previous question. But yeah, look, this coin BDP coming around, look, back in January 31st, right? Around 2 cents. 2 to 3 cents, and then huge pump to 13 cents, and then another big pump to exactly 77 cents. So a matter of weeks, this coin pumped from 3 cents to 77 cents, which last time it was that price point was back here in December of last year, 2021. So that's insane, right? I would be careful trading this right now because this can definitely take a big dump down. Possibly to 22 cents. I could see it coming here to retest this previous high of April, 22 cents. So be careful trading it. But, I'm going to look more into it. I feel like there's probably a lot of big news regarding that pump because it has to be, right? For a coin to pump from 3 cents to 77 cents in a matter of weeks, there's got to be some crazy life-changing news regarding that project, right? So no problem. I see you multitasking. Hey, thank you so much, Hazel. And yeah, let me know your question. And look, guys, this is my TA right here on Bitcoin. You see this huge macro downtrend right here, and I'll zoom out to show you how important this is right here. Okay, we called out this huge macro downtrend that we would come back down and retest it, right? Not only once, but a second time, right? And when we did come down for a second time, and look, we were calling this out when we were right here, guys, in the past live streams. If you guys are here, look right here, you see this spot? When we were right here, we were calling Bitcoin to come back down and retest this huge macro downtrend, which we did exactly that, but we broke it. We broke it, and we actually came up to test it as resistance, right? And in the last 3 days, we've just been flat, and we automatically broke it, just staying flat. We broke it again for a second time. So we break this huge macro downtrend for a second time since right here. Okay. Which is good, right? It's bullish. And recently today, which is also bullish, is we actually wicked down today. And guess where we wicked down to? The macro downtrend, right? Exactly to it. So this is bullish, but it does not mean that we're gonna have a, that we're gonna keep pumping up, because tomorrow can basically flip the switch, and we can definitely come back down into it. Okay, so tomorrow is gonna be a big day, and I'll definitely be live tomorrow. So definitely follow if you guys are new. But yeah, so far Bitcoin looking bullish ahead of tomorrow. Doesn't mean it's going to, stay bullish. It can definitely have a big reversal. We are overbought on the daily, as you guys can see us overbought right here, right? Where is INV available? So Grizz just says, where is inverse finance available? So inverse finance is available. I'll check it right here for you, bro. INV is available on Coin. Oh, so it's on Coinbase. So look at that. So it's on Coinbase, Sushi Swap, Gate.io, Mexi. Wow, this is very weird, because usually coins that are on Coinbase are on other big exchanges too. But we can see right here that the biggest exchange that this is on is actually just Coinbase, right? And then the other ones are kind of smaller, right? Gates.io, Mexi, Coinex. But yeah, it's on Coinbase, which is great. So it means a good liquidity for it, right? But there's probably a lot of big news regarding this recent pump, and maybe a lot of people are stacking on it. SUI airdrop soon. Really, SUI airdrop for how can you get that airdrop, if you don't mind sharing, Purple? If you don't mind sharing how to be able to qualify for that airdrop for the coin SUI. Gris says, I just bought one QNT. Hey, that's great, man. And look, let's check QNT, because QNT back in the bull market was around $500. I remember. Okay, so right here, QNT history on QNT back in the bull market. Top of the bull market was around $415, so it wasn't $500. Around $415 back in September of 2021. Okay, let me see if there's one here with more history. No. Yeah, I'm trying to find a QNT pairing here with more history here, because a lot of these, maybe on KuCoin. Yeah, there we go, KuCoin. So yeah, QNT's all-time high was $426 back in September of 2021. So that's the all-time high. And look, if you look at QNT, guys, if you look at this chart, QNT has been one of the best performing coins this bear market. Kind of similar to Matic, right? Because look, we do have that initial huge drop, right? Huge drop. Then you can see ever since we bottomed here around $40. Wow, $40 QNT. We just been in this huge uptrend, right? And this is we started this uptrend back in July, right? It's not like we started this uptrend in December or January. We started this uptrend back in July for QNT. So you can see how QNT has been one of the best performing coins, basically making a lot of support in this range. This is the range right here. If QNT breaks this range, which is around $91, $91, that will be very, very bearish, and we can see a trend reversal back down here for QNT to $48. So watch $90 for QNT, $91, $90, because that's where the supply is at. That's where the demand is at for QNT. Okay. So anytime, Grizz. Star says, I love that, man. Having a nice room just makes the days better and feel more comfortable. Yeah, I agree with you too, Stars. You know, having an office, having a man cave, having a place where you can just chill out, you know, either watch, you know, TV, play games with your friends, right? Go on your computer. You know, for me, editing. For me, it's editing, trading, researching. It definitely is great, right? It's a great comfort place. Hey, Lewis, ever heard of Mortius? Mortius? No. Never heard of that. Is that a coin? So Nufa just asked if I ever heard of Mortius. It's spelled Morthius. Morthius. Mortius. No, never heard of it. No, so guys, let's check other very crucial charts here for Bitcoin in relation with Bitcoin, right? First one being the coin market, the Bitcoin dominance. This is a very important chart here for Bitcoin as well. We can actually see that Bitcoin dominance starting to trend up. Okay, so could this mean that we're making a higher low for Bitcoin dominance? Because we can see right here this nice rounded bottom at the moment for Bitcoin dominance, right? Because we were trending down, right? And I told you guys, if we continue to trend down, watch 42.30. This is the range right here where Bitcoin dominance is crucial. 42.30 for Bitcoin dominance. But you can see the last 2 days it's been trending up. I feel like a big reason for this is because a lot of the altcoins have been just dumping, right, while Bitcoin is just staying flat, right? So Bitcoin dominance doing well at the moment. Let's take a look here at the crypto market cap, which again, all these charts, guys, you need to, if you guys are trading Bitcoin, if you guys are, you know, looking at charts, you have to have these charts because they all connect with Bitcoin. Okay, for example, right here, this is a perfect example. The crypto market cap, okay, total market cap. You can see that we still haven't broken this huge downtrend ever since the all-time high of 3 trillion. We still haven't broken this, okay? We broke it for Bitcoin, but we still haven't broken this. In fact, recently, right, we actually came up to it for a third time, and we rejected for a third time, right? Look at that. When we came up to 1.07 1.06 trillion total market cap, we rejected, big rejection. And what can happen right here is we might stay flat in between this and then later move up here to 1 trillion again, and maybe that's when we do eventually break this huge macro downtrend. So let's say we do break this huge macro downtrend, I will be very bullish. Okay, I'll be very bullish, right? Morpheus Nets. Oh, it's Morpheus Nets. Let me know the tag for it. I'll definitely look it up. What is there? Do they have a tag for the coin Morpheus Nets? Dr. Doc says AVT USD can make you pretty penny. Also, if you buy it while it's slow. AVT. Let me check them out. I haven't heard about them either. AVT. Well, there's a couple of AVTs here. Let me know the right one, Doctor. There's this one called Aventus. Let me know if this is the right one. Aventus. It's $1.24 at the moment. And then the other AVT is Artverse token, which is okay. I'm pretty sure it's not this one. This one's like 9 zeros 14. So I'm pretty sure it's the first one, Aventus, right? Which is rank 867. I'll definitely check it out after the live stream. Hazel says, "Wow, so many new things here. Introduced to me. Thanks, Lewis, and the community viewers." Hey, Hazel, anytime, man. Appreciate you coming to the live stream. And again, follow for more. I live stream almost every single day, and I bring you guys the coins that I'm buying. I bring you guys the low cap coins that I'm buying. You guys know me. I'm authentic. I'm always honest with you guys, telling you guys exactly how I feel with the markets too. So thank you so much, man. Aventus, okay? So it is Aventus, okay? Yeah. And also, guys, like I said, I'm gonna be making a coin market cap watch list for my channel, so you guys can have it, and you guys can see the coins that I'm looking at, right? Whether it's low cap, mid cap, high cap, and you guys can have that same watch list. And I'm always adding new coins on there. So, do you think Filecoin can reach all-time highs in the next bull run? Just your thoughts. Great question by Purple, because let me tell you, Filecoin's all-time high compared to right now is insane. And let me show you right here for Filecoin, okay? Look at this. Filecoin all-time high was 241, right? Let me see if there's a better chart here for Filecoin instead of Binance. It's about the same, yeah. Okay. So Filecoin's all-time high back in April 2021, 236 dollars. Right now it's around 4.8, right? So obviously a huge difference from $236 for Filecoin. And let's actually measure, guys. Let's measure how much Filecoin came down this bear market, right? Usually from past bear markets, we usually see all coins coming down 90% from their all-time highs, right? 90 to 80%. And so far, guys, from the all-time high here, Filecoin has came down to the bottom 99%. Look at that. Filecoin from the all-time high to the bottom, which was around $2.36, okay, back in December, 99% from its all-time high. And currently right now, it's around 98%, right? So Filecoin has been one of the biggest coins to have get hit so hard this bear market. And to be honest, it really hasn't, with the recent pump, it really hasn't reacted that much, right? Yes, we came down from $2.30, but we're still at $4.8, right? And to answer your question, Purple, the only way that Filecoin will come back to its all-time high is if it really does have a utility and continue to develop and actually be a part of this world, right? And partner with what you want to see is that Filecoin partner with big players. Once it does partner with big players, you're probably going to see pumps steadily. You're not going to see one huge pump. You're probably going to see like small pumps, right, as time goes on for Filecoin. But that's my opinion on it, on whether Filecoin will survive. I do have a little bit of Filecoin, right? And it does have a great utility, right, which is storage. Kind of similar with VeChain, but VeChain is more like supply. But yeah, I've been buying a little bit of Filecoin because this is a huge difference from its all-time high, in my opinion. But again, just because it's a huge difference, right, doesn't mean you should buy. You should only buy if you believe Filecoin is going to survive, because it can go to zero, right? So that's just my opinion. Jasmine kind of looks similar to Filecoin on the charts. Yeah. And we can see right here Jasmine also kind of similar, right? Very similar. Jasmine. So right here Jasmine around 38 cents. Currently right now it's around not even 1 penny. So Jasmine at the all-time high was around 36. yeah, like 38 cents. 38 cents, and right now it's not even 1 penny, right? So if it were to go back to its all-time high, it'll be like a 40x from where it's at right now, right? So I'm gonna look more into Jasmine. I haven't looked that much into them, but this is why millionaires are made during the bear market, right? Because the people that invest in the right coins that do survive, right? Once the bull market comes back, we don't just break all-time highs, we make new all-time highs, right? And people buying in, you know, when these coins are down 90%, 80%, that's where the money comes in, right? So yeah, guys, tomorrow's gonna be a huge day. I definitely will be live streaming tomorrow, so definitely follow. Also check out my recent TikToks. I do make a lot of funny TikToks as well as like market updates, so check out my recent TikToks. I also posted on YouTube. Follow me on YouTube. I'll be live tomorrow for episode 24. Thank you so much, guys, for coming to episode 23. Don't forget to use a Keystone code if you guys are interested in the Keystone. Thank you, Jared, for the likes. Thank you, Dr. Doc. Thank you, Purple. Thank you, Nufo. Thank you, Stars, Grizz, T-Money, Crypto Billionaire. Appreciate all of you guys. You guys are awesome. What time is CPI meeting? Yeah, let me just tell you right here before I go. What time is CPI meeting tomorrow? Okay. So tomorrow the CPI will be released at 8:30, but I think the meeting is going to be I don't know if there's gonna be a meeting. I think it's just gonna be released at 8:30. Yeah, I don't think there's gonna be a meeting. But if there is a meeting, it'll probably be like later on in the day. But yeah, just know 8:30 a.m. That's when it comes out. So if we do see volatile movement, it will be around 8:30, right? Once it comes out. So yeah, I'll be on tomorrow to talk about that. We'll see if Bitcoin does have a huge move up or down. I'm hoping that it's down, but we'll see. But yeah, thank you guys so much for everything. And yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys in the live stream for episode Crypto Hangout number 24 tomorrow. Peace.
Me hearties, the stream be ending.